In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my top 3 websites from where you can source your online arbitrage deals here in the UK. Let's get straight into the video. What's up you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Marlon and as I said, today I'm gonna be showing you my top 3 websites from where you can source your online arbitrage deals here in the UK. We're gonna go straight to it. 3 websites. I'm gonna show you 3 examples as well of how to go through these deals and find them. So it should be an entertaining video. Before we get into that, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. But with that being said, let's jump straight into my laptop. Right guys, so the first website I'm gonna tell you about, it's actually going to be my number 1. So this is going to be the best. As always, I start with the best for you guys, so I don't want you to wait until the finish just to see this. I just want you to watch the video just because you like it. So the best website from my point of view is going to be Smith's Toys. So why am I saying this? Smith's Toys is a toys website. Obviously you get a lot of offers on it, and people that are doing online arbitrage tend to avoid it, and this is because of one slight issue with it. That's why I like it, to be honest. The issue is that the website allows you to buy only a maximum of 3 units, 3 of the same units in one order. So you're gonna say, but Marlon, there's products that sell in a month 50. What am I gonna do with only 3? Well, this is the important part. So a lot of people just avoid this website just because of that. But what you can do, you can just place multiple orders, one after the other, with no problem. So let's say you find the product, you're gonna have free delivery if you spend, I think it is over £15. You can see it here as well. So you're gonna spend over £15 anyway, and you can place multiple orders. If you need 50, then get 50, you know, as easy as that. So Smith's Toys, as you can see, toys, baby room, whatever. Let's go into the toys category, and we're gonna do 3 products just for the sake of demonstration, guys. We're gonna go and shop all. Let's see what we can find here. Right, for demonstration purposes only, let's take this one. I don't think it is a good product. I don't even know actually. So we're gonna take the text, copy it, and go to Amazon, then paste it here, and we're gonna press enter. I'm sorry about my laptop is a bit slow. Come on, come on, come on. Let's close this. Okay, let's accept that. Cookies. Paste again. So let's see. First of all, we need to make sure it is the same product. It looks like this one, right? So it's going to be this one. Click on it. And because we got BuyBotPro, BuyBotPro is going to open here on the side. You can actually see straight away the price. It's $23.99 here, and Smith's Toys sell it for $29.99. So I just said I didn't pick these items, it's just for demonstration purposes. So let's say we're paying $29.99, same as Smith's Toys. Straight away we know it's not gonna be as good, but it's a big product as well. It's Hot Wheels, really known, probably sell loads. It's not that money, but it's alright. And there's Amazon obviously there. So you get all this information from BuyBotPro. As you know, you've seen in my previous videos, BuyBotPro is an essential tool if you want to do online arbitrage, even with retail arbitrage. So this is the first product, which is not that good. Let's go back. Let's see one with a slash price, probably this one. You can see it is reduced in price even though it's out of stock. We're just gonna take it for demonstration purposes only. Let's see. It looks like it's this one. Let's try and present one that's not sponsored. So you can actually see that Smith's sell it for $29.99, and on Amazon you'll be able to find it for $39.99. You know, with all these brands like Hot Wheels and everything, most of the times Amazon will be on the listing. I don't know why it keeps going out, because I keep sending the cookies. But yeah, $39.99 right here, temporarily out of stock, so might be actually worth buying this if you can sell it for a higher price because it's out of stock. Oh, come on. Don't know why it's moving this slow. $29.99. Let's see what comes up. Again, not profitable because it's a big thing. I think it is standard size, but as you can see, look at this. So Amazon $39.99, and then after that these guys used to sell it for that much before Amazon came in, and I think Amazon, it's out of stock right now, so probably these guys will actually be able to sell it for that much, so they're gonna make some profit. But yeah, let's try one more. So you make it 3, but you already get the idea. You just go through these one by one. You don't skip like I do, for example, or you can go just through the ones that have a slash price. Look at this one for Nintendo Switch, Super Mario game. Copy. Oh, come on. Paste here. It's definitely this one. So they sell with $39.99. And it's $49.99. There's not gonna be any profit in this one, probably make it a lose, but you get the idea, guys. This is Smith's Toys. My #1 suggestion for you guys if you want to source your online arbitrage deals. Let's move to the second one. Website #2, guys, from my top 3 websites from where you can source your online arbitrage deals is going to be Boots. This is an amazing website. They've got loads of discounts, offers and everything, multiple buys, buy 3 and pay only for 2 and stuff like that. So just for demonstration purposes only. By the way, you can also see that if you spend at least £25, then you're gonna get free delivery, which is great. Click and collect if that's something you want. You also get the advantage card, so basically you do shoppings, you sell on Amazon, you make profit from that, and you also get the points, so you can buy yourself a perfume or something, I don't know, whatever you want, you can do that. So let's actually go to skincare. Let's choose skincare out of nowhere. Number 7. See, already number 7, it's save a third, meaning you get 3 for the price of 2, which is a pretty good offer. I've done quite a few of those. Yeah, there you go, for number 7, which it is also a big brand, so probably the sales are gonna be good. We're gonna check it now. So let's click on this one, for example, and again we're going one by one, guys. I'm gonna do 3 products for demonstration purposes only. Might end up doing less than that because my laptop is moving slow. I've actually stopped the fans. I've slowed them down, so you can actually hear me while I'm talking. So Amazon's choice, this is the product for sure. Protect Perfect, just make sure it is the right one. Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced, you can see it there. 1948 here, it is 1733 here, but you get 3 for the price of 2. So if you pull out a calculator, let's see, what is it, 17.33 times 2 divided by 3, that's gonna be a price of £11.55 per product. So 11.55. Let's see if there's any product left in this, any profit left. So again, there you go, guys. There's one offer for you guys. £2 and 52 pence per each, and they can sell 57 per month. So if you make £2 and 52 times 57, that's £143 profit right there with just with this product. You can go ahead and buy it yourself if you want. My gift for you guys. But yeah, moving forward, let's see the next one. But you already get the idea. You just go through it step by step. You check them. If they're good, you add them to the basket. Let's see with this one. Around the same price, pretty much. So 1866 times 2, and then divided by 3. This is going to be £12 and 44. Let's see if we can find this. I'm gonna do this one and then we move to the other website because I don't want this video to be too long. I've started making videos quite long in the last period. Let's see this one. Large 50 milliliters. Let's see how big this is. 30, so it should be probably this one. Yeah, so we can already see £12 and 35 pence plus delivery. So there's not gonna be, yeah, I don't think there's any profit in this one. So even though we get it for £12.44, but this is just that one. As you could see, there's plenty of them, and you can also get all of them together. But that was it. Site number 2. Let's move to the third one and final one for today. And the final website for today, guys, website number 3 is going to be another big one, which is Superdrug. This is an excellent website again. You get free delivery. How much do you need to spend? Spend £15. So this is gonna be really easy. If you do online arbitrage, you're gonna get a lot of products from Superdrug, so you're gonna spend £15 easily. This website is also really good because of the points, same as Boots. You can gather points and then get free stuff, whatever, just by buying products and selling them. So you already make a profit, and then you get this extra on top of the profit on top of the profit. Really good, isn't it? So yeah, I got this section. This is the daily deals. They've got this thing. As you can see, most of them are gone. So 14th of April, you can let's check this out actually. Oh, no results found. So they're already gone pretty much. Let's see this one. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. So let's try and find something else. Let's go by shop, by category. Let's say skin. Don't know. We're gonna scroll down. Let's say face. And there you go. So we got, let's pick this one. Superdrug Vitamin E. Let's actually bring another brand apart from Superdrug. Olay, this one is pretty known, isn't it? So as you can see, there's plenty of offers with this one, better than a half price on selected. I think you get £10 worth of points when you spend 50 and things like that. They've got many bonuses for you guys, many good stuff on top of the good prices. Is it this one? Glow, we need a glow. Come on, we need to find one. But this is what we have to do every time. Just go through each one of them, and then you'll be able to find good stuff, guys. Online arbitrage is not really that passive as private label could be, or even wholesale. But it's worth it, guys. As you already saw, with one product you can make £150 or even more than that with just one product every month. So that's recurring as well, if you can get it for the same price every time. Let's see this one. Trying to find one here for you guys. There you go. So I'm pretty sure it is this one, but it sells at the same price, £7 and 11. £7 and 11. But you get the idea, guys. Let's type 7 and 11 and see how much money we actually lose if we were to do this deal. But we're not gonna do it because we only pick good deals. There you go, we're not even allowed. Anyways, so you do the same thing, guys, with BuyBotPro. you just take the title, get into Amazon, type it there, press enter, it's gonna search it, and then open it. BuyBotPro comes up as an extension, you can see it at the top here. This is BuyBotPro, Amazon FBA Deal Analyzer, and then you just put the price, the sourcing price right here, selling price, and then it gives you all the details in there. Site number 3, Superdrug. And that was it from here, guys. Let's move back to the tripod. See you there. And that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It helps me as well and the channel to grow and reach more people. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you stay tuned to all the videos that I post pretty much every week. I've been a bit busy this time, but I'm gonna get back to posting every week once I am done with my university exams. Also, guys, I was thinking about starting, after I finish with the exams, starting a session probably once a week, a live session where I simply go live and answer your questions. Let me know if you would like something like that. Make sure you leave it down below in the comment section. But with that being said, hope you enjoyed it again. You have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.